In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to OneNote. Let's jump right in and walk through the entire setup from start to finish. If Zapier asks you to sign in, go ahead and complete the sign-in prompt now. Once that's done, wait for the Zap editor to open. You should see a Notion trigger already placed at the top, followed by a Microsoft OneNote action below it. Now click the trigger step in the Zap editor workflow to open its configuration. In the account pop-up, click the option that says Connect a new account. Then click Connect to begin the authorization flow with Notion. If the wrong workspace appears at the top of the Notion authorization window, click the workspace name at the top and switch to the correct one. After that, click Select Pages inside the Notion authorization window. Find the data source page you want to use, and check the box next to it. Once selected, click Allow Access to grant Zapier permission. Next, click the Trigger Event dropdown and choose the option labeled New Data Source Item. Move over to the Configure tab by clicking it. Click into the Data Source field and select your Notion data source from the list. Now click the Test tab at the top of the trigger step. Click Test Trigger and let Zapier pull in a sample record. From the results, select the test record you want to use for the sample row. Then click Continue with selected record to lock that in. Now click the Microsoft OneNote action step on the Zap Editor canvas to open it up. In the right sidebar, click the Account field. From here, you can either select your existing Microsoft OneNote account or click Connect a new account if you haven't linked one yet. If you're prompted, go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account. Then approve Zapier's access request when the permission screen appears. Once your account is connected, find the Action Event field and click Create Note. Then click the Configure tab to start mapping your fields. Click into the Title field first. From the drop-down of Trigger Data, select the Notion name or title value so the title of your Notion item flows directly into your OneNote. Leave the content type setting on its default text option. No changes are needed there. Now click into the Content field. From the Trigger Data drop-down, choose the Notion summary value so the body of your note pulls from the Notion summary. After your fields are mapped, click Continue to save this configuration. With everything mapped, click the Test tab at the top of the action step. Click Test Step to send a sample over to OneNote. Wait for Zapier to display a successful test result on screen. Once you see the success message, click Publish in the upper right corner of the editor. If Zapier asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm the Publish prompt to push your Zap live. Now let's verify everything worked correctly. Open OneNote in a new browser tab. From the notebook list on the left, click your default notebook to open it. Inside that notebook, click the Quick Notes section to view its contents. Look for a new OneNote with the same title as the Notion item you tested. If it's there, your integration is working exactly as expected. And that's the result. Your Zap is now published, and the test Notion item has created a matching note inside OneNote. From this point forward, any new item added to the selected Notion data source will be sent through Zapier and automatically created as a OneNote in your Quick Notes section. The connection is fully live. Your trigger is watching for new entries, and your action is ready to deliver them straight into OneNote. You can leave this Zap running in the background, and it will continue syncing every new Notion data source item to OneNote without any further action on your part. That completes the full setup between Notion and Microsoft OneNote, using Zapier as the bridge between the two platforms.